Today I'm going to be talking about the New Balance FreshFoam 680 running shoe. The FreshFoam 680 is just one more in a long line of FreshFoam designs, all based around this FreshFoam midsole that you have here. Any of the FreshFoam midsoles that you have on any of these shoes, you can tell immediately from kind of squeezing it with your hand that this midsole has a lot of compression and energy return. Whether you're the kind of runner that lands on the ball of your foot or the kind of runner that lands on your heel, these are going to be a comfortable shoe for you. Here is the sole of the shoe and a super close-up of the sole of the shoe so that you can see what the tread looks like. Here we have the lateral or the outside of the shoe, the medial or what could be called the inside of the shoe, the heel, the top-down view, and what I like to refer to as the profile of the shoe. All we have left to do is try them on and show you how they fit. As you can see, this is my right-hand side, and this is my left-hand side. Who knew at my age that I would become a shoe model? I certainly did not. So I do think that it is a really good-looking shoe. I like all of the New Balance FreshFoam shoes, but these, I really like the look. I have a slightly padded floor, and between the floor and the midsole, the FreshFoam midsole, very, very comfortable. I can really feel the cushion under my feet right now. It's a shoe that's comfortable for running, comfortable for walking, comfortable for wearing. I can honestly say that I am glad that I spent my money buying these shoes. I am happy that I was able to use them to make a video for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed watching me. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to leave me a comment. I love reading your comments and I love responding to them. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to have a wonderful day while you are out there having a wonderful life.